Many people feel there is no hope in America to restore those biblical foundations. And as you know, that's my mission. I teach the biblical underpinnings of American law and government, and we should restore those things. And I often reference the scripture, if the foundations are destroyed, what can the righteous do? This is a question posed to David by his friends. They were encouraging David, flee to the mountains like a bird. Saul's government is off the rails. They're anti-God. If you love God, you're in trouble. The wicked bend their bow. They make ready their arrow on the string. They want to shoot at the upright in heart. Basically saying they got a gun to your head right now. But David boldly asserts the Lord is in his holy temple. The Lord's throne is in heaven, not on this earth. The Lord tests the righteous, and he says, upon the wicked, their portion, their cup shall be God's wrath. But the righteous, the Lord is righteous. He loves righteousness, and his countenance, his favor, beholds the upright. He is with us. Stand boldly in this culture. Assert God's throne. He is with you. He will restore.